To use Google Lens on iPhone, you will need to download and install the Google app from the App Store. Once installed, open the Google app and tap on the camera icon in the search bar. This will open the Google Lens interface, where you can start using the various features. Google Lens is a visual search tool that can identify objects, scenes, and text within images. You can use it to search for information, translate text, and even solve math problems. To use Google Lens, simply point your camera at an object or scene and tap on the screen to focus. Google Lens will then identify the object and provide you with relevant information. For example, if you point your camera at a flower, Google Lens can identify the type of flower and provide you with information about it, such as its scientific name and how to care for it. If you point your camera at a sign or menu in a foreign language, Google Lens can translate the text for you in real time. To use Google Lens to translate text, simply point your camera at the text and tap on the Translate button. Google Lens will then translate the text into your native language. You can also use Google Lens to solve math problems by pointing your camera at a math equation and tapping on the Solve button. In addition to these features, Google Lens can also be used to search for similar images, identify products, and even provide information about landmarks and buildings. To use these features, simply point your camera at an object or scene and tap on the relevant button. Best practices for using Google Lens on iPhone include making sure the object or scene is well lit and in focus, and using the feature in a quiet environment to avoid distractions. You should also be aware of your surroundings and use the feature responsibly, especially when using it in public places. Overall, Google Lens is a powerful tool that can help you navigate and understand the world around you. By following these steps and using the feature responsibly, you can unlock the full potential of Google Lens on your iPhone and start exploring the world in a whole new way.